Welcome back guys. In this video, I am going to discuss about the types of reflection. In my last video, I discussed about the reflection of light. Let's take a quick view on the reflection of light. The bouncing back of light when it hits any surface is known as the reflection of light. Polished surface reflects more light compared to the unpolished surface. We can see things around us because of the reflection of light. Now let's learn about the types of reflection. There are three types of reflection. First, regular or specular reflection. Second, irregular or diffused reflection. Third, multiple reflection. In order to understand about regular and irregular reflection, we must have the knowledge of parallel lines. What is meant by parallel lines? Parallel lines are those lines which never meets and the distance between them will always be equal. The lines which never meets and the distance between them will always be equal are known as parallel lines. So then what is regular reflection? When regular reflection occurs? So when parallel rays of light falls on a smooth surface. When parallel rays of light falls on a smooth surface, the reflected rays are parallel. The incident rays are also parallel and the reflected rays also parallel. This type of reflection is known as regular reflection. It is because of the regular reflection, images of the objects are formed. Next, what is irregular reflection? And when it happens? When parallel rays of light falls on through a rough surface, the reflected rays are not parallel. When parallel rays of light falls on through a rough surface, the reflected rays are not parallel. This type of reflection is known as irregular reflection. And irregular reflection does not form images of the objects. Difference between regular and irregular reflection. Regular reflection occurs from a smooth surface. Irregular reflection occurs from rough surface. Image formation takes place in regular reflection. Blurred or no images formed in irregular reflection. Reflected rays are parallel if incident rays are parallel in regular reflection. Reflected rays scatter in different directions. They are not parallel in irregular reflection. Next, multiple reflection. When two mirrors are kept inclined at an angle. When two mirrors are placed at an angle, they can together form multiple images. This is because the image formed by one mirror forms the object for the other mirror. This type of reflection is known as multiple reflection. We all seen multiple reflections in hair salons, beauty parlors and jewelry shop. Let's go through the summary. In this video, I discussed about the types of reflection. First, regular reflection. In regular reflection, both incident rays and reflected rays are parallel. But in irregular reflection, only the incident rays are parallel, the reflected rays are not parallel. And images are formed only in regular reflection. In irregular reflection, no images are formed. Next, multiple reflection. When we place two mirrors at an angle, they form multiple images. Such type of reflection is known as multiple reflection. If the angle between the mirrors is 45 degree, then 7 images will form. For 60 degree, 5 images. For 90 degree, 3 images. For 120 degree, 2 images. For 180 degree, one image. For 0 degree, infinite number of images will form.